Right, welcome back everybody. Still day one. We've just come out for a little walk this afternoon. I think these winds are following me around the country, so we're just leaving the marina and we're walking by the boatyard. Now this part I don't think belongs to them guys, so it's a little bit rough and ready, but it's a nice little walk. Another gate code to access this bit as well, so we're going to just head down to the beach for a little playtime with Sky. It's threatening a little bit of rain in the sky, but hopefully not too much, so it should make up the afternoon for us, and then we'll go back and have some evening tea guys and that, so we'll take you for a little walk. So we're just hitting the main road. Thank you. Now this is the main road, what takes you up to the beach and the beach car park. Or there's I think there's a little divert back round the coastal path this way and the sea wall, so it looks like Sky's taking me this way today, and we'll keep the main road for tomorrow. So it looks like we're on low tide currently at the moment. So this looks a little bit muddy in places. There's St Nicholas Church up on the hillside. So these boats look marooned at the moment, but I'm sure some of them, when the tide comes in, they're floating. So the campsite is over there to our left hand side. And we're just following this little bit of a coastal walk. If I remember right from a couple of years ago, it leads us onto the beach and we'll have some playtime. Right, so right in the distance, obviously you can't get to it guys, you've got to take route 33, but you've got Breen Down and Breen Point. That's where the old fort is, and that I was hoping to go there last year when we were at Birmingham-Sea, but it was only a couple of weeks after Sky had her surgery, so unfortunately we didn't make it, so that'll be one for another trip. There's a nice little caravan site I think close by called Caravan View or something, so that might be an option, and that, but that's something we want to do in the near future. So we're just continuing on this walk. As I say, it's been 2 years since we've done this, so I'm hoping I've remembered right. Right, I think we've arrived at where I thought we'd be. This is part of the estuary, the mud flats. I'm keeping Sky in a lead. I think last year or 2 years ago she went down into the mud, didn't she? And she was absolutely plastered. As I say, still breezy, guys, so I really hope the microphone is doing its job. Right, so that is the estuary, so I'm not too sure if it's an outgoing tide or an incoming tide at the moment. How the water's flowing, it looks like it's going out. So you got a catamaran there. Obviously all these pontoons will start floating back up once they rise with the sea. This is about 10-15 minutes walk from the site, guys. It's just a matter of really exploring which way to go. That's the only way I learnt from the last time. So once we get clear from here, we'll let Sky have the ball and have a little fun time. In the distance, Weston Supermare building on our right hand side is Weston Bay Yacht Club. Alright, so we're going to let Sky off a lead now. Unfortunately, the sea is too far out for her to have a little paddle. Happy girl. This is a happy place on the beach, and lots of running space here. It'd be nice when the tide's a little bit further in so you can have a play in the water, but I think it's a favourite location, the beach. As I say, there's Breen Point, Breen Down at the very end, and right across the Bristol Channel, I'm presuming it is, you got the coast of Wales. I'm not too sure whether it's heading in the direction of Cardiff or Swansea without having a quick look on the map. But as I say, we're in a breezy beach at Weston-super-Mare. As I say, I think this wind follows me around the country at the moment. The next 3 days on the forecast do look good. Sunny most days, blue skies, and hopefully the wind will drop. Distance there, guys, you got those cliff tops with the St Nicholas Church on again.
How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience?
There's a few cars parked on the beach, including a motorhome. Looks like there's a snack bar as well. This is quite compact sand. They do beach parking in a couple of little places in Weston. As I say, we're at, I presume it's the south end of Weston. Had a look at high tides, and tomorrow morning we should get a high tide from about 8:30 in the morning, so hopefully we'll do the beach walk tomorrow morning into Weston and see a little bit of the old sea closer by.
Treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose. After years with the blues. Oh, you know about them ice and love. An angel
Let's go and look around there, guys. God, they're racing along with this wind. Not too sure what you call those.
Come on over here.
Oh, they look dangerous for me to flip over.
I've got all the tools. After years with the
Right, so we're gonna head off the beach, I think, now.
oh, you know about the mice and those. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. Shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I get anything, anything.
Oh, they're certainly tipping over, they are. I think it said Western wind carts on the side of it. That's right, we're going to head off down the beach road now and head back towards Uphill Marina and Touring Park. I think there might be a nice chocolate eclair waiting. Hopefully a coffee we'll have. So this is obviously the car park at Uphill end of Weston. I would imagine it's probably a pay and display. We'll see if we can see at the end. Right, so the pay and display is as you come in. Hard to tell how much it is. See if we can see. I can't see, guys, so the screen is pretty blurry at the top. No, I can't see. Sorry about that. So we're heading back, as I say, to the campsite now. You've got a golf course nearby as well. It splits across the road, it does, so maybe if you're at the campsite and you fancy a round of golf. Right, so this is the beach road. We've got the beach going back in that direction, so we're heading back towards the campsite. I think the last time I was here there was a little animal park on the right hand side, which I'm not too sure if that's there now. Looks like there's a few sheep. I can't see anything else in the stables. And in front we've got St Nicholas Church again. So this is just a little bit of a circular walk involving a few grassy footpaths and a little bit of a beach. I'm guessing we've probably done about 1.5 miles. I seem to remember we used to do this as our first walk in the mornings, but we took our time this afternoon. We've done a bit of filming as we go along, so we're going to head into the marina now, guys. Right, so this is the boathouse bistro again. As I say, that is a footpath around what gets you into the other small gate and that, so we're going to go this way through the main gate. Right, so looks like we're gradually filling up now for the next few days. There's probably half a dozen pitches still vacant. Right, so hope you all enjoyed this little afternoon walk. It wasn't something I planned to do. As I say, these are normally impulse filming. They are, so that's what it's all about, vlogging. And that's so you film as and when you like, guys. So appreciate it all, and we're going to go back. We've got a couple of videos now to edit today. Not sure when we'll get these out. Internet signal on Smarty is pretty poor. We've probably got better upload than download, and even the phone signal is not great, so we'll see. Right, bye for now.